I was riding number 9, heading south from Carolina. Heard that lonesome whistle blow. I got in trouble, had to roam. Left my gal and left my home. Heard that lonesome whistle blow. Like a kid acting smart, I went and broke my darling's heart. I guess I was too blind to know. They put me on the Georgia main, locked me to a ball and chain. Heard that lonesome whistle blow. I'll be locked here in this cell till my body's just a shell and my hair turns whiter than snow. I'll never see that gal of mine. I'm in Georgia doing time. Heard that lonesome whistle